Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. I finally watched Sunny Deol's Jat, Sunny Paji's Jat. So let's start with the review. So Jat is a 2025 Indian Hindi language action thriller film written and directed by Gopi Chand Manali in his Hindi film debut and produced by Metri Movie Makers and People Media Factory. The film stars Sunny Deol, Randeep Hooda, and Regina Cassandra in lead roles. Alongside, you have Sahami Kher, you have Jagapati Babu, Ramriya Krishna, Raneet Kumar Singh, Prashant Bajajat, Prashant Bajajat, yeah, if I pronounced that correctly, Zarina Vairab, P. Ravi Shankar, and Bablu Prithviraj. So this is the cast in the film. So the film follows a mysterious passenger who is played by Sunny Deol, Sunny Paji, whose obsessions demand for apologies, bring him face to face with a ruthless label turned crime boss, resulting in a battle between the two, which is Ronotanga, played by Randeep Hooda. He's the villain in the movie. Rana Tunga. So the plot starts in 2009. The Jaffna Tiger Force JTF rule ends in Sri Lanka. Ranatunga was played by Ranveer Hooda in the film. Rana Tunga. A laborer discovers gold left behind by the GTF. The Sri Lankan army tries to stop him from retaining it, only to be ruthless killed by Ranatunga and his men. They arrive in Andhra Pradesh, India, and tribe the Ranatunga established as a criminal empire, and around the village of Motupallu, with the authorities fearing to take action against him when Sanvedeta Vijanta Lakshmi, who is played by Saimi Kher, she is a police officer, goes to arrest Ranatunga and his wife Bahati, gets her and fellow police officers, the female police officers, got molested and imprisoned in a mansion. The President of India receives a letter and a box full of several films. Yeah, some scenes can be disturbing. Demanding protection from Ranatunga. She sends CBI officer named Satya Murthy, who is played by Jagapati Babu, to the village to investigate the case. In the present day, a mysterious passenger who's played by Sunny Deol, Sunny Paji's entry as well, on his way from Chennai, Tamil Nadu to Hododaya, Uttar Pradesh, by train. But the train stops at a village in Chirela, Andhra Pradesh, due to an accident ahead. He leaves his train to have a meal at a roadside eatery where some ruffians arrive, and his meal falls down and demanding an apology. Like he says, sorry, ball. Like he says, sorry, ball. And that dialogue comes, sorry, ball. By Sunny Deol. So he demanding an apology. He beats them up and then reveals themselves to the men of Ram Sudha Reddy, a local politician. The passenger goes and beats Ram Subha Reddy and demands apology. And the latter threatens him and reveals that a local man named Surmula is like his brother. The passenger then finds and beats Sumula and threatens him by taking the name of his elder brother named Ranatunga. Guys, the passenger received apology from Ranatunga, who sees this as a petty issue and does not wish to drag it further. Just when the satisfied passenger is about to leave, he notices something strange, a hidden police car and torn up police uniform. He finds the female cops who have been molested and imprisoned. There, he frees them and beats up Ranatunga's men before taking the female police officers away. Ranatunga sends his men after the passenger and the female cops in a ensuring chase. One of the police officers, Devious, is fatally stabbed. One of the police officer lady got stabbed. Then, from an old woman who lives in the village, the passenger learns about Ranatunga's evil deeds, and he killed innocent men with full support from the local corrupt police officers, including the Chief Inspector C.H. Sunil Kumar. So he was corrupt. The passenger was to kill Ranatunga, but first visits the police station to make a complaint. The corrupt police officer humiliate the female cops led to by Sunil. The passenger is then captured by Sunil and held shackled until Sumila arrives to kill him. One of the prisoner recognizes him as a bulldozer. He inflated Dhaka Central Jail in Bangladesh and eliminated his enemies. And that scene comes in the film. Sorry ball and that पंखा का जो मारता है दुश्मन को, that has to be the highlight of Sunny Deol's action. Absolutely fantastic. He beats his enemies. जो मारता है ना दुश्मन का, बैंड बजाता रहा है. Absolutely fantastic. That पंखा वाला scene, and he beats them in that jail sequence. Sunny Paji is mass थोड़ा थोड़ा जिसे कहते हैं हैमर. एंड वो डायलॉग आता है 2.5 किलो का हाथ वाला डायलॉग, पूरा नोट दिख चुका है, अब पूरा 100 दिखेगा. एब्सोल्युटली फैंटास्टिक, ब्रिलियंट. The passenger regains his consciousness, and he, with the help of Lakshmi, who's played by Saimi Kher in the film, and the other female cops, execute Sunil and the corrupt police officers, including Sumula. On the other hand, Satya Murthy discovers that Ranatunga is none other than international terrorist. Murtha Wills Kanakalan, if I pronounce the name correctly, the former deputy commander of the Jaffa Tiger Force, JTF, with Satya Murthy demands support to capture Ranatunga. When the passenger revealed to be Baldev, they showed his backstory. Baldev Pratap Singh, he plays this officer, Sunny Paji, revealed his backstory. And he revealed as Baldev Pratap Singh of the Jat regiment is unleashed for the task. He arrives at the spot where the villages are captured and fighting off Ranatunga's men. Baldev then eliminates all of his Ranatunga's men and kills Ranatunga by hanging him. Bharti commits suicide in front of Vijayanta Lakshmi and the female cops to avoid arrest. Satya Murthy, who forms the president, was played by Radha Krishnan. Yeah, she's a president who was seen in Bahubali. She's a South actress as well. Ramya Krishna, I meant to say. She plays this president, and that task who Baldev was sent to, he's completed this evil deeds of Ranatunga. My God, the shoulder, head chopping, and his fingers. He just killed these innocent villagers, and Sunny Baji has to take insaf, has to take the justice in his hands because no one would not stand. And he came and helped these villagers and destroyed his enemy called Ranatunga. Brilliant, absolutely brilliant. Sunny Paji is a brilliant. वही एक्सटीक्यूटेड इस दुश्मन को खाना जैसे रावण को राम सीता को बचाता है, वो वैसा स्टोरी फील आया मुझे. एंड द वे सनी देओल eliminate the villains is outstanding, absolutely outstanding. So the task is complete while Baldev departs in a helicopter, army ka helicopter, with a promise that he will remain return again if trouble should arise. He talks to that little innocent villager girl and hugs her. It was emotional as well. Some scenes when Sunny Deol finds out these deeds were happening to these villagers, innocent lives has been taken by this evil Rana Tunga. Absolutely, Sunny Deol just takes takes this in hands. He just protects his villagers and becomes that perfect person. Absolutely fantastic, Sunny Deol. Absolutely fantastic. जो दुश्मन को खाता है, फेंकता है, पंच मारता है, किक मारता है, डायलॉग डिलीवरी बोलता है, वो पंखा वाला सीन, the police station wala scene, and you have that Marathi actor who was seen in Animal, and he's seen other film as well in Salman Khan's film in 2021 with Ayush Sharma. I don't know what's the actor's name, but he was he was a prisoner in the film as well, and he calls him bulldozer. Paisa Vasool, this film is absolutely fantastic. Ho Rama Rama song was absolutely very picturization by Sunny Deol when he enters to the train, and plus you have that item song by yeah, Urvashi Rotola. Item song, Sorry Ball, that song came in the item in the film as well. Absolutely fantastic. Sunny Paji Khara Madan उसने जीत लिया ये film. He is won my heart. Absolutely fantastic. That's why I love Sunny Deol. Action, true action superstar of Bollywood. He's the real He-Man of Punjab. Real He-Man. Absolutely fantastic. A grand salute to Sunny Deol's brilliant dialogue delivery. What dialogue as well. His Pankhawala fight scene, the jail sequence, how he got chained up, beaten by Get Up, how then he showed his backstory. Absolutely outstanding. Other characters were good as well, like Raneet Kumar Singh was the villain of Rana Tunga's brother, and Randeep Huda was Khatanak. He was dangerous villain, absolutely criminal terrorist. He is Rana Tonga, killing these innocent people, and Sunny Deol had to do this insaf and do this fight and protect these villages. And one sorry, this led to this trouble. Sorry, ball, sorry, ball. That dialogue was outstanding when he says sorry, ball. He demanded apologies, but Rana Tongi did apologize, but he did not get the satisfaction what Sunny Deol wanted. Absolutely fantastic. Brilliant Sunny Deol. Brilliant. Brilliant. Loved it, Sunny Deol. And plus the Judge song at the end. Absolutely fantastic. Superb. By Amrit Maan, the Punjabi singer. Brilliant. Jat. Tera Jat. Brilliant. Absolutely fantastic. So we have Rama Rama song in the film and Touch Kiya. Sorry Ball. That item song by Urvashi Rotola. Rama, Shri Rama has to be best, and the Jat theme song sung by Amrit Maan. Brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. Brilliant. So the film photocopy commenced on June 2024 and was theatrical filmed across Hyderabad, Baptila, and Visakha Patan, if I pronounce that place correctly. Visakha Patan, yeah. The film music was composed by S. Thaman. Music was good. He's given the music of Baby John as well. While cinematography and edited was handled by Rishi Punjabi and Naveen Notali. Respectfully, Jat was theatrical released on 10 April 2025 and emerged a commercial successful film at the box office. It has among the highest grossing Hindi films of 2025. So Jat was the highest grossing movies of 2025. Sunny Deol was brilliant. His Dai Kilo Ka Har dialogue, his Pankha Wala fight scene, Vineet Kumar ka fight scene, and the jail sequence, and he protects Saimi Kher and these police officer women, and he said on the board, respect women, which give a good message with respecting women. He just like a Lord Ram He reminded me as Lord Ram how he protects Sita from this evil demon people. Absolutely, Sunny Deol has won my heart. Absolutely fantastic. 4 out of 5 for Jat. He's the real Jat. He's the real He-Man. He's the real powerhouse in Bollywood. Still looking handsome in his age since the 80s till now. That's why I love Sunny Deol, and that's why I love Bobby Deol, and that's why I love Dharampaji. Absolutely fantastic. Brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. Brilliant film. Just watch the action scenes and the punch, the kicks. थोड़ा मारेगा ये सनी देओल. सनी पाजी has won my heart. Absolutely won my heart. दिल खुश कहते हैं मेरे पंजाब का शेर सनी देओल ने. Absolutely fantastic, Sunny Paji. All the love and support, and I will keep supporting my favorite stars of Bollywood. Brilliant. How he executed and how he defeated these evil people, these goons, Rana Tonga as well, to protecting the villagers. Yeah, it was emotional, heartbreaking as well when the fingers were cut in this box, and how Sunny Deol, a passenger, helps one sorry, he said, sorry, ball. Yeah, absolutely paisa vasool. The film is a winner. Jat is a winner, especially to Sunny Deol. You take Sunny Deol out, the film will not succeed. This guy was the one man army who executed and beaten these villains and give this in Saf, who raised the voice. No one even helped the villages to raise the voice, and he was the one raised the voice and helped protect the villages. Yeah, Zarina Wab, who played the old lady in the film, she was good as the poor mother, the shore, as the villager. But Sunny Deol fighted and demanded justice, and he delivered that justice very well. Absolutely fantastic. Sunny Deol ne dil jeet liya mera. Absolutely love Sunny Deol Paji. That's why I love Sunny Deol. He's brilliant. Absolutely fantastic. And Rana Tonga was evil as well. He's a Khatanak villain. Ranveer Huda played a brilliant villain in the film. And plus that Regina Cassandra as well. She's the South actress. You have Jagapati Babu and many others did a decent job. Siami Khair was okay. Not up to the mark, but she did what she managed to do in the film. All goes to the success to Gopi Chand Manani, made this brilliant film, and plus Jat 2 will be coming. Yes, Jat 2 will be coming as well. I can't wait for Jat 2. So 4 out of 5 for Jat. Absolutely fantastic. Sunny Deol, love you. Keep on making films, and I love Sunny Deol. I just grown up on watching Sunny Deol's movies, Ghayal, Ghatak, Jeet, and all the films in the past he did. Brilliant. He's a superstar of action. Superstar. अभी भी उसमें ताकत है. अभी भी उसका 2.5 किलो का हाथ है. Like Gadar he did मचाए, इसने भी अखाड़ा फाड़ दिया इसने. Sunny Deol ने फाड़ दिया. Absolutely fantastic. So final verdict 4 out of 5 for Jat. Brilliant. Fantastic. Outstanding. So there you go. That's the Jat movie review. I'll see you on the next one. Stay safe, play safe. Bye.